In this video, I'm going to be talking about the SolarCam D1 Classic from AOSU. Now, AOSU sent me this camera to review, so thank you to them. And this camera works with Google Home as well, which is really cool. And there's no monthly subscription for the first month as well, if you want to sign up. And as you can see here, it's got a couple of recordings with the evening shots in black and white. You've also got a flashlight which comes on, and it's also a 360-degree view with coverage. And it also has a cruise control, so you can set this up and it will scan across and set everything up. It does human AI tracking. As you can see in the bottom here, we've got little circles which pick up the different types of people that are walking past. So if they are added to the app, then those people will be identified as known, and then unknown people will come up and it will notify you of that. There's also intrusion areas that you can set up. So like over here, we've got the dogs walking in this area on the grass, so I can see when they're there, and there's me walking through like that, so the camera's picking me up over there. So that's works really well. Also, this is 2K resolution, so the video quality is actually really good. So if I open up a larger version of the video, so let's go to this one here, and I'll rotate the screen. Then we can see how clear that actually is as it goes through. So we can see how it went into the black and white, and once that's on, that's actually a very clear image. So it's really good. Really impressed with what it has. And you can see the menu options here. You've got your download option, everything. You can go back, and you've got take a screenshot. You can switch on and off the sound. You can see if it's a person that's been detected, so it will tell you what those are. There's a motion over there. So that's all really good. You can do two-way talking, so you can communicate. It's got 10-meter night vision range, so that's quite far. Now let's go to the live view. So if I click on live, it will take you to another screen over here. So what it will do is it will connect to the camera. So that's the live view currently. And over here you can generate a panoramic view, which is quite cool. So I'll do that now. But over here you can navigate with the app over here. So you can move the camera left and right by pressing on these, or you can drag it like so. So if I push that, it should go up, and if I push that, it will go left. So you can see it twitching over here left and right, and you hold it down, it will do more of a longer motion. So that's there. And then if you push a 360, what it does is it does a full 360 look around. So you can see over there, it goes all the way left, does a scan, and it goes all the way to the right. And you can see there it says it start looking around. So that's what it's doing. So that's the full scan that it does. Now if I do a panoramic view, what it does here is it will go all the way to the left again, and then do a full scan all the way to the right, and it will stitch that image together. So that will give you that view over there. So then what happens is, now this is available over here. So if I press the door, it will then go to the door over there. And if I go to the goals, it will then move the camera to the goals. If I go to these pots, it will then move to those pots. And you can also zoom in, which is pretty awesome. And you can go to Ultra HD or standard definition, and you can see that is pretty clear once it sits and focuses. So that is very impressive. Great quality, good camera, very good. And that's the live view. Lots of settings as well. So there's loads of settings with this camera. So you can do a bunch of things with the AI surveillance, detection settings. That's all available to you. Again, intelligent person identification, so that will come up for you as well. So lots of features, really good. And the good thing is they've got 40% off site-wide on AOSU for this Black Friday, and it could potentially be for the weekend as well. So, you know, there's not much time to go and grab these things at these good prices, because they are really good. So here we've got some night vision with a white light. We've got color over there. So really good. Default view, this I like as well. So you can have a default view set. So if that's where you want it to be, then that's the main area that will be triggered all the time. So the camera will return to this position after picking up someone and moving around and stuff. So this is awesome. You've got battery management, so we can see what the battery is, and it's busy charging now. It's overcast and drizzling, and it's still charging. So the panels are really good. There's also an extra USB panel or port on the camera, so if you want to add another panel to it, you can do that as well, and that will then help with charging it even quicker. As I said, you can work over here with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, so that's bound on my system, so I can request those to show and see what's going on. Firmware updates, this stays updated, so they give you those notifications, which is really good. You've got an LED status light. You've also got the AOSU Protect, which is your subscription module if you want to do that, so you can do that on a monthly or annual basis, and that's available to you as well. But overall, the camera is really impressive. I'm very happy with it, and yeah, go check the site out, go and see what it's all about. They've got some really good prices, some really good cameras, some new tech coming out, so don't miss out on it, and go have a look. All the links are in the description. Thanks, cheers.